Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change your password on OnlyFans account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC. Then you go to the new tab and search in for a www.onlyfans.com and press enter. And then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your OnlyFans login ID and password. Now here at the homepage of OnlyFans, you need to click on the profile icon on top left corner. You click on it. Now there you can see the option of settings. You click on settings. Inside settings, there you can see the option of account. You click on it. Now here inside account section, you need to scroll a little down. There you can see the option of password inside the security section. You need to click on password. Now to change your password, first of all you need to provide your current password. Then you go in for providing a new password for your OnlyFans account. Here you need to retype your password for the confirmation. After you're all done, you need to click on save. And with that, your password for the OnlyFans account has been successfully changed. Now to get logged in into your OnlyFans account, you need to provide the current password that you just said earlier. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change your password on OnlyFans account. Thank you.